taking the reins and selling your home, for sale by owner style. Intriguing? Absolutely. The digital age has simplified this task. Long gone are the days when selling your own property felt like a daunting endeavor. Now, with a simple click, your property can be viewed by millions of potential buyers. The internet provides numerous resources, from pricing guides to virtual tours, making the process easy and efficient. Today's homeowners can even access necessary legal documents, eliminating the need for intermediaries. Selling your home on your own? It's not just doable, it's practical. You're in control. So seize the opportunity. The path to a successful sale is now more straightforward than ever. Always remember, you're not alone in this venture. The internet offers a wealth of resources ready to assist you every step of the way. Selling your home for sale by owner? You're a rock star. But let's face it, transforming your house into a buyer magnet takes more than just a for sale sign and good. That's where these quick, budget-friendly hacks come in. They'll help you add sparkle without blowing your bank account, leaving you with more moolah for that tropical getaway after closing. Declutter and depersonalize like a ninja. Imagine potential buyers picturing themselves, not your grandma's porcelain cat collection, in your living room. Pack away knickknacks, family photos, and excess furniture. Aim for a clean, airy feel that whispers endless possibilities. Stage a mini makeover, not a full-blown renovation. Fresh paint, especially in neutral tones, works wonders. Fix leaky faucets, replace burnt-out light bulbs, and ditch the mismatched towels. Think spa-like serenity, not Pinterest perfection. Embrace the power of plants. Greenery adds life and a touch of the outdoors. Opt for low-maintenance options like succulents or snake plants. Bonus points for strategically placed herbs in the kitchen. Let there be light. Open those curtains, baby. Natural light is a major selling point. If rooms feel dim, consider strategically placed mirrors or lamps. Remember, a well-lit space feels inviting and cheerful. Curb appeal is king or queen. First impressions count. Power wash the driveway, trim overgrown bushes, and plant colorful flowers. A welcoming entryway with a freshly painted doormat seals the deal. Unleash your inner Marie Kondo in the kitchen. Buyers love organized kitchens. Declutter cabinets and countertops. Shiny surfaces are your friend. Invest in inexpensive drawer organizers and spice racks. Bam! Instant chef-worthy vibes. Don't underestimate the bathroom blitz. Cleanliness is key. Scrub the tiles, replace rusty fixtures, and add fluffy towels. Bonus points for scented candles or a DIY reed diffuser. Spa vibes, anyone? Let technology be your silent salesperson. Virtual tours are hot. Showcase your home's best features with a quick video tour. Bonus points for adding upbeat music and cheerful narration. Think Bob Ross, not monotone robot. Remember, scent is a superpower. A subtle, fresh aroma can linger in buyers' memories. Bake cookies before an open house or diffuse essential oils like lavender or citrus. Think happy home, not overpowering perfume counter. Be a master of the mini fix. Squeaky door hinge, loose cabinet handle. Fix these minor nuisances yourself. Buyers appreciate a well-maintained home, and you'll avoid last-minute repair scramble. Bonus hack: unleash your inner cheerleader. A positive attitude and genuine enthusiasm for your home are contagious. Buyers will pick up on your love for the space, making it even more irresistible. So there you have it, for sale by owner warriors. Ever thought about selling your home by owner without a real estate agent? Let's unravel the paperwork maze together. First, prepare a disclosure statement. It's legally required in many states and lists potential issues with your property. Be honest, it's your responsibility. Second, draft a purchase agreement outlining the terms of sale. This could include the price, closing date, and any contingencies. Third, you'll need a deed. This legal document transfers ownership from you, the seller, to the buyer. At this point, a title company might come in handy. They can help you handle any complexities associated with the deed. Finally, gather necessary documents like the original sales contract, mortgage documents, tax records, and home improvement receipts. Remember, every state has different laws, so consult a real estate attorney to ensure you're on the right track. Selling your own home? It's a journey, but with the right paperwork, you're well on your way. Loop back for more property insights.
Create your free property listing on My Home, My Sale. Our innovative community platform empowers all property sellers alike to take control of their property sale or listings and reach a wider audience of potential buyers. 1. Create a free account. Click Post a Property and sign up for free via mail, Facebook, or email on the property listings page of the My Home, My Sale website. 2. Post a property and create a detailed listing for your property. 3. Generate your unique landing page link. 4. Take advantage of My Home My Sales free marketing. Your property will be automatically promoted on Instagram, Facebook, X, YouTube, Google, and to My Home My Sale email subscribers. My Home My Sale is completely free to use, so you can start marketing your property without any financial investment. Sign up for free today.